Welcome to the 3D Ghost universe, a place dedicated to 3D creation and 3D printing. This quick video will be about how to transform a colored image into a black and white drawing style image that you will be able to have in SVG or in PNG and that you will be able to use and to transform into a 3D object. The first thing that you will have to do is to download an application for your iPhone or your Android phone. And I'm talking about Adobe Capture. After launching the application, you will have to go to the gallery. You will have to select the PNG or the JPG that you want to transform, and then you go to Shape. Then the application will do most of the work and you will have something great like a drawing. You can save it in SVG into your cloud, your Adobe Cloud. And after that, into your navigator from the computer, into your Adobe Cloud, you will be able to download it as an SVG, a PNG, a JPG, as you want. We are back in 3D Builder. We will open the image. We will have a try with the colored one, and of course, it's completely destroyed. Simply because the drawing is not thick enough in order to be seen by 3D Builder. So we cancel. We will open a new image. This one we will take the PNG that we just created, and as you can see, you have a shape. And maybe we will go with more levels in order to have thicker drawing shape. We import, we insert a cube. Like in part 1 of the video, we will be able to create something that you will work with. And of course, if you want to print it, remember to adapt the size of the nozzle and the object in order to have all the object, all the thickness. Part 3 will be about transforming a 2D image into a 3D printable object with Blender thanks to an SVG file.